loved the Rutgers EMBA program. It was great both personally and professionally. I actually started my MBA with a 4-week-old baby, and it was probably one of the best investments of time and money for me and my family. It was a really good professional growth experience where I got to meet some amazing people, learn concepts and things that were able to be applied for my career. It also just pushed me outside of my comfort zone, which was something I personally needed. I made some amazing friends who just helped build me up when I needed confidence, but also push me and challenge me as well. When I started the program, I was a senior program manager. Halfway through the program, I shifted roles into supply chain operations, and then about a month after graduation, I got promoted to director. The Rutgers EMBA program helped me grow out of my comfort zone. I came from an R&D, regulatory and quality background. I didn't really have any exposure to finance, business, the content, the professors, the people that I met. Building that confidence and those foundational elements helped me pursue a new role in director of supply chain.